Here we would need to define two things. One thing is why we have bone loss, and the other thing, as you said correctly, so what to do now. So two things. First of all, why it happened, and then how to solve this. So you answered yourself that it's correct. So I don't really think that your placement was really very deep, because well, 6 millimeters from margin, it's deep, but we need to have like 4 at least, because we need to have this, our vertical tissue thickness. So suprastal placement compensates that. But what I think is the most important rule is that when our connection goes deeper in the bone, the more stability of the connection is important. And like internal hex is actually 45 degrees connection. And 45-degree connection is not stable enough in that kind of position below the bone. So if this implant would be more shallow, or let's say it will be at the level of the bone, theoretically, not in this case, but just theoretically. So then the movements of abutment, they will not be harmful. So now here you have deep in the bone and the abutment is moving. That's why you have this bone loss. Additional thing, what I've noticed